Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to back up chats on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner, the settings icon. That's going to take us here. Next, we're going to select chats. And the third option we have here is chat backup. So we're going to go ahead and select that. So as you can see, you can manually back up your chats by clicking on backup now. You can set it to auto backup. So here you have the options to automatically back them up daily, weekly, monthly, or you can turn this off. So for example, let's set it to monthly, not weekly. And you can also include videos in your backups or you won't. So now it's turned on. If I turn it off, you won't include videos in your backup. And if you turn it on, you will. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!